everybody, welcome to today's vlog. For today's video, we're taking a little break from working on our basement to do a project that has been burned in my brain since last summer. So you might remember last summer we restored the area around our in-ground pool. It was previously a mud room, and we turned it into a covered porch. Now we want that area to be like a really fun outdoor space for entertaining and things like that. So I've had this idea to do an outdoor pool table since we finished that space. We live in Canada. Outdoor pool tables are not something that I've ever seen because we only have summer for a portion of the year. But I thought, why don't we make it also an outdoor dining table so that we can use it for dining. We have no patio furniture and spring is coming. So we're gonna need furniture for our deck and for the area by our pool. And so you guys will get to come along with us today as we attempt an outdoor pool table / outdoor dining table. And we are so excited to announce that we have a partner for today's video. Today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. I am starving, so it is the perfect partnership to kick off this video. So if you're not familiar with HelloFresh, it is an at-home meal delivery service. They deliver meals with fresh ingredients straight to your doors to make meal prepping and mealtime so much easier. I don't know why we've never done this before. My mom is a huge fan of HelloFresh. Andrew and I are awful at cooking. We don't make time for it. Our eating habits are terrible. So this has already been so helpful at getting us to sit down and eat a meal together. All of HelloFresh's meals come with recipe cards that have a little visual, all the ingredients, and an explanation of how to make it. And you can follow along in the app. Wait.
That's really nice.
You can use our code Sabrina HF if you want a discount on your order. The link and the details are in the description. It comes with pre-portioned fresh ingredients to make cooking really easy.
Yeah, for people who are super busy all the time, this makes it easy to plan your meals and make sure that you're actually eating.
We never eat yams or zucchini.
Or sweet potato.
Oh wait, I thought that's what a yam is.
I don't know.
We're gonna eat our lunch and then we'll get right into building our pool table.
Sounds good.
So let me show you guys what we are using for this pool table. So I found this pool table on Facebook Marketplace for $200. It is a recreational size, so it's not the full size that's usually way bigger. But I believe this one's about 4 feet by 7 feet. And it came with the legs, it came with the balls, the thing. Like, it came with most of it except for the pool cues, which I've ordered off Amazon. So basically my vision for it is we're gonna put cedar legs on it. We're gonna add a cedar top to it that'll be removable. And then when it's dining table status, you're gonna be able to sit at it and eat a meal. But then when you take the top off, it's gonna be a pool table. So Andrew drew up a design for it. So you can see the original pool table under there. And then all of the red is what's going to be the cedar planks to build out the dining table part. And then it'll have cedar legs on it. And again, that top part is going to be removable. Awesome. Smells so good.
We're using 3 2-inch by 8-inch by 8-foot cedar for the perimeter to wrap around. We have 2 4x4 by 8 cedar for the posts. And then we have 12 to 15 of the 1x6 cedar deck boards, 8 feet long. And that's gonna be used as the tabletop. What we're gonna do is we're gonna rip a 1/4 inch off either side to get rid of this bevel, and then we're gonna laminate them all together so it's one solid piece and water can't get through. So what we've done is we ripped our boards down so they have square edges, cut them a little bit longer than what we need, and we have them glued and clamped. Now normally you would want quite a few more clamps than this, probably 4 more, and you'd want to put some across the top as well. That keeps it from wanting to warp, but this is all we have. And you don't want to over tighten the clamps either, just enough so that some of the glue comes out. But if you over tighten it, you pretty much squish all the glue out and you just make a mess.
We're upstairs in the garage now. We're gonna get the measurements to do the legs for the pool table. So obviously this pool table came with legs, but this is going to be outdoors. So the legs are gonna get wet. That's why we're gonna change them out for cedar legs.
I'm gonna go corner to corner to find the center. Use a speed square, straight edge, doesn't matter. These get screwed in there, whatever height you need to make everything level. Just like that.
I actually don't like it. Legs are on it with the little supports at the bottom. And a regular dining table is between 28 and 32 or 32 inches tall. So I did the test, brought out the dining chair, sat down. It feels comfortable, but it's gonna add an extra like 2 inches on top once we add the top to it. So we're gonna run to the store now. We have to get a few more supplies. We actually ran into an issue just now that I didn't show you. Andrew thought the length of the pool table was 5'9". It's actually 6'3", which is honestly on brand because the man thinks he's 6 feet tall when he's definitely 5'10". So we're gonna go get the supplies and finish this project.
So we're cutting the plywood to length. I'm making it 4 inches shorter and narrower than what the cedar is gonna be, because once the cedar sits on it, we're also going to put the 1.5 2x8 around the outside. And I just wanna leave a little 1/2 inch reveal. Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, not
What?
not past the line.
Oh, oopsie. Guys, progress is being made, but I have no idea what's going on right now. Changes had to happen in order to make it fit the pool table, which was measured incorrectly. Somehow, I don't know how that happened. There's a lot of cutting and screwing and things happening, and I simply don't want to know. And in Andrew's defense, he also does not know what's happening either.
I have no idea.
We're just kind of winging it at this point.
We drew up a plan, but then we never looked at it. And
Yeah, we had the plan, but we didn't follow it. So, but sometimes the projects that we don't plan for are the ones that work out the best. A happy accident. It got cut a little too short, so this is why we're a filler piece.
yeah.
But learn from our mistakes. Check your plans more than once.
Make plans. I'm going to use L brackets to screw to the bottom of the table and attach that to our skirt piece.
All right, time to flip.
Want me on that side where it's tight? Oh, wait.
What?
What? What? Slide it that way.
Don't show that it's heavy.
Look down, brother. Oh my God. Lean it that way, that way. There we go. No, I got half of it. What's going on?
Oh,
What the heck was going on there?
couldn't stand up straight.
Why? Because of the thing?
No, because this is where I'm trying to stand.
How's that for a table?
Really great, not at all heavy. Should be a lot of fun. Okay, it does look good. I'll give you that. Fill the cracks, sand the top, and then we're done.
So it's the wood sawdust from the cedar we used, and then some wood glue. You mix it up. This is the best way to match it because we're not staining it. Color match, you know?
Watch me clear the table.
Fix the sharp.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like this project and you want to see more fun home projects and renovation, make sure you subscribe. And we actually have a few more details for this project now that we're seeing it in the space, and thinking about making it so the top is on a pulley system. So it actually raises up every time you want to play pool, which could be really fun. If you guys want to see that in another video, let us know. We could be back at this project again, but we will leave you here for now. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!